Welcome to the presentation on Hylo, a pioneering DeFi protocol on Solana. Hylo aims to redefine DeFi native money by moving away from centralized stablecoins and real-world assets. Instead, it leverages the speed of Solana and the yield of liquid staking tokens to offer a secure, autonomous financial system. At the heart of Hylo is a unique dual token model. We have hyUSD, which serves as the stable medium of exchange, and xSOL, which acts as the volatility buffer. This design is revolutionary because it allows one group of users to enjoy stability and yield, while others gain leveraged exposure to SOL with zero liquidation risk.
Hylo stands out in the crowded DeFi space by solving the impossible trinity of stablecoins, achieving stability, decentralization, and capital efficiency. Its most impressive feature is the liquidation-free leverage, which was recently validated during major market corrections, where the protocol remained perfectly healthy.
For those looking to get the most out of the Hylo ecosystem, there is an active points program. By participating in the protocol today, users can build their XP. Most importantly, you can use the referral code FJE5VR during setup to lock in a 5% boost on all your points, maximizing your potential rewards.
Looking ahead, Hylo is backed by some of the biggest names in the Solana ecosystem. With a successful seed round and a rapidly growing TVL, the protocol is on track to become a core pillar of Solana DeFi. Whether you are looking for stable yield or smart leverage, Hylo is building the infrastructure for the future of finance.